In a big moment for South Africa, where top politicians have long evaded serious scrutiny, the Hawks executed a search and seizure warrant on the former personal assistant of Justice Minister Thembi Simelane on Friday, 30 August. Simelane, however, insists she is not being investigated. Hi, I'm Pauli van Wyk, investigative journalist at Daily Maverick. Chapter 1. Hawks investigate. The High Court in Polokwane approved a search and seizure application to take control of the digital devices of Simelane's ex-personal assistant 3 days after Daily Maverick and News24 revealed that Simelane received a loan from VBS fixer Ralium Razwanani to buy a coffee shop back in 2016 when she was the mayor of Polokwane Municipality. Now, the key story here is that Razwanani's company, Gundo Wealth Solutions, paid 575,600 rand for Simelane's coffee shop, while she was still the mayor of the municipality. Just days after the municipality invested 130 million rand in VBS through Gundo as the service provider. Now, attached to the Hawks' warrant is an affidavit by the lead investigator. It explains the investigation is linked to 349 million rand investment the Polokwane Municipality made into VBS Mutual Bank. At the time, the affidavit states, Simelane had a PA who we are not naming. We understand that the PA is not an accused or the target of the investigation. The Hawks' investigation, originally registered in May 2019, found the PA became the nexus of emails and WhatsApps relating to VBS, Gundo, and Razwanani. The affidavit is very careful to not outright link Simelane to the sending of the emails and WhatsApps to her PA, but it speaks about the targets of this investigation. The affidavit does, however, say that the PA, by virtue of her position as the personal assistant to the executive mayor, was centered to the flow of communication between municipal officials, Gundo, and Razwanani. The Hawks told the court that they are investigating corruption, money laundering, and the contravention of the Municipal Finance Management Act. Simelane's version is that the Hawks are not investigating her because they have never contacted her. Chapter 2. The secrets of the Gundo Wealth Solutions bank account. In a joint investigation between Daily Maverick and News24, we established that Justice Minister Thembi Simelane was the ultimate beneficiary of VBS loot when she was the mayor of Polokwane in 2016. The transaction made little business sense, and Simelane's version that it is a loan in the true sense of the word is doubtful. We drew this conclusion on the following 4 facts. First, there was no other money but VBS kickbacks in the account of Gundo Wealth Solutions when it bought the coffee shop for Simelane. These are the same kickbacks which are now central to Ralium Razwanani's prosecution. 2 is Simelane took the sole loan that corruption-accused Razwanani claimed to have issued in 2016 from Gundo's VBS bank account. Now, if Gundo was in the money lending business, it surely would have received repayments from other lenders too, right? By the way, a person with inside knowledge of Gundo's business dealings told us that the company never was a moneylender, but provided financial investment advice. 3. Another oddity is that Gundo paid almost 40% of the money Gundo received that year to Simelane's coffee shop. The bulk of the balance of the money Razwanani paid to his accounts at Nedbank and FNB, or towards his properties. That means, next to himself, Simelane was Razwanani's single biggest expense in 2016. It appears that the mayor of Polokwane was particularly important to Razwanani. 4 is that the timing of the payments are very suspicious. The payments to Simelane's coffee shop were made days after Razwanani received his kickbacks, and these he received days after Simelane's municipality invested a total of 130 million rand in VBS Mutual Bank. We could follow a direct line from Polokwane Municipality's investment into VBS to Razwanani to Thembi Simelane. Now, on Simelane's version, the loan was a legitimate contractual loan. She was not involved in any impropriety and received no undue benefit. She claims she paid the loan back 4 years later, between October 2020 and January 2021. This is a developing story. We will continue to dig deeper. Stay tuned for further updates as our investigation progresses.